Here, there equation two variable, find or solve the equation by substitution method. That's the first method. There are two equations given. X plus y equal to 10, 2x plus 3y equals 21. You see that? So what equation number 1 and 2. Now here, x plus y equal to 10 means y equal to 10 minus x. Is it clear? Is it over? So you substitute y equal to 10 minus x in this equation. That is, substitute y equal to 10 minus x in equation number 2. Are you ready? So 2x plus 3 into 10 minus x equal to 24. You get the substitution? So 2x plus 3 into 10, 30, 3 into minus x minus 3. 3 into minus x is minus 3x. 3 into 10, 30, 3 into minus x minus 3x equal to 24. Okay? Now 2x minus 3x is minus 1x plus 30 equal to 24. Any doubts? Now minus x equal to plus 30 transferred to that side is minus 30. 24 minus 30 means minus 6. Subtract the smaller one from the larger one, put the sign of the larger one, you get negative 6. Minus x equal to minus 6. So x is equal to 6. Clear? Then you substitute this value here, you get the value of y. Here, so y equal to 10 minus x is equal to 6. So 4. So what is the solution? X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. The coordinate is 6, 4. X is equal to 6, y is equal to 4. You may write x is equal to 6, y is equal to 4. Look at here, these are the two equations. From here, y is equal to plus x transferred to right side, it's minus x. And you substitute this value here like this. Remove the brackets. Then minus x plus 30 transferred to that side is minus 30. Minus x equal to minus 6, x equal to 6. And you substitute here 10 minus x means 10 minus 6 equal to 4. You get y equal to 4 and x is equal to 6, 6, 4. Okay? Another problem. (3x plus 2y equal to 11). 4x plus 5y equal to 70. That's equation number 1 and 2. From 1, you see that this is equation number 1. Using substitution method, we want to solve this. 2y equal to 3x transferred to that side is 11 minus 3x. 2y equal to 11 minus 3x, y equal to into 2 transferred to that side is divided by 2. Into 2 transferred to that side divided. You get the value of y. Once again, 2y equal to 11 minus 3x. Y equal to 11 minus 3x by 2. Then you substitute this value here. Substitute. Y is equal to, that is 11 minus 3x by 2 in equation number 2. Here, 4x plus 5 into 11 minus 3x by 2 equal to 70. Is it clear? Is it clear? So substitute the value here. And better you multiply by 2 all the values. Come on, multiply all the terms by 2. That is 2 into 4x is, better you write it. 2 into 5 into 11 minus 3x by 2 equal to 2 into 7. We want to remove this. Okay. 2 into 4x, 2 into 5 into 11 minus 3x by 2 equal to 2 into 17. Now, these two get cancelled. So, here it is. Look at very clearly. 2 into 4x is 8x. Plus these two cancel. 5 into 11, 55 minus. 5 into 3x minus 15x equal to, here it is 2 into 17 is 34. You see that? 2 into 4, 8x, 5 into 11, 55, 5 into minus 3, minus 15x equal to, you multiply with 34. Now, 8x minus 15x is minus 7x. 15 to validate the sign. That is minus 7x plus 55 equal to, that is 34. You see that? Now, minus 7x equal to minus 7x equal to 55 transferred to that side is minus 55. That is, subtract the smaller one from the larger one, you get minus 21. So x equal to minus 21 by minus 7 equal to exact 3. Okay, you see the steps. And y equal to, here it is what? Y equal to 11 minus 3 into x is 3 by 2. 11 minus 3 into 3, 9 by 2. That is 2 by 2. 11 minus 9 equal to 2. 2 by 2 equal to 1. So what is the solution? X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Your answer is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. See that. Okay. So the second problem is comparatively large. Okay. One more problem. X plus 2y equal to 12. 3x plus y is equal to 11. That's equation number 1 and 2. So better you look at the first equation, better x is equal to 2y transferred to that side, it is 12 minus 2. You see that? Plus 2y transferred to that side. Now substitute x equal to 12 minus 2y in equation number 2. Here. Are you ready? Now here 3 into the value of x is 12, x equal to 12 minus 2y. 12 minus 2y, 3 into 12 minus 2y is the value of x. Plus y equal to 11. Are you ready to complete it? First of all, remove the bracket. Slowly, come on, say 3 into 12 is 36 minus 3 into 2y is 6y. Okay? Plus y equal to 11. 36 minus 6y plus y is minus 5y equal to 11. So minus 5y equal to 36 transferred to that side is minus 36 equal to minus 25. Okay? 36, 15 also validating the sign. Minus 5y equal to minus 25y equal to minus 25 by minus 5 equal to 5. Exactly 5. And how can we find the value of x? You know, you substitute this value of y in this equation. X equal to 12 minus 2 into y equal to 5. 2 into 5 is 10 and it will get 2. Okay? Substitute the value of y equal to 5 in this equation. 12 minus 2 into 5. That is 12 minus 10 equal to 2. You see that? So x equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. The solution is 2. Are you ready? Then in the next class you discuss some programs in the textbook also. Now this is substitution method.